Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean a dirty watch. So might be you are using sprays which clean the surfaces and others, but today I'm going to exactly show you how to clean a watch. So I have taken this strap watch. So first, what do we need for it? We need a deo. You have to use only what which is liquid filled. You have to shake it and test it. You can't take the gas ones. We need some cotton. These two earbuds, I've taken it optionally. These earbuds are optional. Now, so let's get on to the main basis. So mine is the strap one. So I can remove the body of the watch and keep it aside. So here's the strap. Now we'll take the strap and clean it. So now, but you have to use only small ones, or else the big ones can spray out more deo and your watch can become dirty. So take some part of the cotton. Okay, now I've torn the cotton. Now I'll spray some of the deodorant onto the. Now I've torn the cotton. Now I'll spray some of the deodorant onto the cotton. You can see. Now it's a bit wet with the deodorant. Now we'll take the cotton and start rubbing it. Oh wow, magic. See? It's being cleaned. See this? You can use this for your any color of watch, any type of watch, and any stain on the watch. Now I need some more deodorant. Otherwise, you can spray some of the deodorant onto the body of the watch and clean it. But I prefer you to use the deodorant on the cotton and then use it on the watch. See, miracle. Now I'll keep this aside. Now take some more cotton if it's become dirty. Mine a bit is left, so I'm using a bit less. Now see, I'm spraying the deodorant onto the cotton, and see, the dirty stains have come out of the watch. Now see, if it's a bit wet, now see, it's a bit dirty, so I'll take another a piece of cotton. Now that was dirty, so I took more. Now I'm starting to clean. You can use this on any watch. Any means any. If it's high brand or low brand. If it's very cheap or even very costly. Now, it will do no damage to your watch, and you can use it on any brand of watch. So this is it. The strap cleaning is over. Now I'll keep this strap aside. Now see, I can remove the watch body, and I can remove the watch body and I have the remaining part. So I'll keep the watch body aside. Now I'll take this. I'll take some more cotton. Yes. Now I'll spray. Now done. Now any color means any color. So I'm doing it on red. And see, these are all dust stains. When you use the watch for a long time, it gets dirty. So how to clean it? This is the perfect way to clean your watch. So see, Now I'm done with cleaning. Now I'll fix it again. It troubles a bit. So see, think how it was so dirty and ugly before. And now see its transformation. So now, why were these cotton buds for? So it had a main reason. You can spray the deodorant onto the cotton bud, and if you have holes to wear on the watch, you can clean inside them with it. So, see this guys. See this guys. See how good it looks now. Now see. If you like this video, please like to my channel, and if you like this video, please press the like button below the video and comment what type of video should I bring for you, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So see, it was too dirty. I also had to clean it. So bye bye. Use this method and clean your watch perfectly. Bye.